soul economy and soul autonomy, right? Two things here. If I talk about soul autonomy, what are the benefits? I think that's the question. Or is there any difference, right? Does it at all make any difference in my day life? And I think to answer this question, it is important for me to understand how does my day look like, right? And I'm sure, I think it's similar typical day, right, for any IT professional. And many of us, right, will probably synergize with this kind, right, of commonalities we have in our day lives. So anything we do, office में हम क्या करते हैं, right? Typical set of activities. Waterfall model हो, agile हो, but क्या होगा? Set of activities remain the same. Requirements gathering analysis, right? How many of us do this kind of a role here? Requirements? We've got quite a lot. Very good. So I think I'm sure you're gonna resonate with that, right? Requirements आती हैं, कभी कच्ची, कभी पक्की, कभी थोड़ी ज़्यादा पक्की होता है, right? But we do write an SRS, deliver कर देते हैं, with a list of rates, assumptions, dependencies, constraints, right? A requirement could be एक एनिमल है, 4-legged एनिमल, 2 आंखें, 1 नाक, 1 मुंह, 2 कान, काले रंग का पूंछ है, राइट? सो रिक्वायरमेंट स्पेसिफिकेशन इज डन, बट इफ बट एल्स, राइट? डिपेंडेंसीज, व्हाट आर दीज? छोटा भी हो सकता है, बड़ा भी हो सकता है. बड़ा है तो क्या है? हाथी है. छोटा है तो क्या है? माउस है. सो ऑल दैट टाइप ऑफ, but we do deliver what is expected, right? जाता है डिजाइन के पास. Oh my God, how many designers, architects here? Very good. And with this kind of requirements, but you do deliver. I'm sure all of us we do deliver. It's just that delivery date miss हो जाती है, पर हम deliver जरूर कर देते हैं. They design, deliver a design. It now goes into development phase. How many developers do we? Oh, very good, quite a lot. Good, good, good. आप, these are the poor guys. पता नहीं है इनको चूहा बनाना है कि हाथी बनाना है, पर ये बना जरूर देते हैं. We do deliver. करते हैं deliver? ऐसा कोई है जो कहता है नहीं deliver करते? We do deliver, right? And then testing, and then we go live, and finally जो भी live जाता है, then who production support? Anybody? Very good. So you know the pain, right? चूहा आएगा तो बोलेंगे हाथी का काम कराओ. लाइफ में हाथी आएगा बोला कि नहीं चूहे का, बट हम कुछ न कुछ तो कर देते हैं, कस्टमर को सपोर्ट दे देते हैं, राइट? सो दैट्स द ब्यूटी. वी डू व्हाट इज एक्सपेक्टेड, राइट? क्वालिटी गेट्स कॉम्प्रोमाइज्ड, एट टाइम्स टाइमलाइंस गेट मिस्ड. Now coming back to the question, how does soul autonomy play a part in this whole day, right? A day of an IT professional. जब मुझे ऐसा लगता था, there was a time at some point of time, right? बॉस ने कुछ कहा, my God, इससे बुरा दिन तो हो नहीं सकता, right? Peers, कोई आगे बढ़ गया, मैं पीछे रह गया, oh no, इससे, I mean, what a day it is, right? How can I bear all that? होता था. There was a time. Upset हो जाते थे. We used to get hurt. We used to feel jealous. We used to, feel very unhappy. All that had to happen. जब से soul meditation की practice start की, right? And what do we do every day morning? Like I said, cleaning up, soul autonomy, right? We connect, I the soul, connect with Supreme Soul, get the power. Battery क्या करती है? I charge myself in the morning, right? Battery gets charged. और मोबाइल में क्योंकि बैटरी इज चार्ज, तो सारा दिन मोबाइल क्या करता है? इट वर्क्स एज एक्सपेक्टेड, इट डिलीवर्स यू, राइट? नहीं चार्ज करेंगे, व्हाट इफ आई डोंट डू दैट? तो क्या होगा? लाइक वी सेड, इतनी प्रोसेसेस रन कर रही हैं, और उन प्रोसेसेस में एक छोटी सी प्रोसेस, मेरे वर्क की प्रोसेस जो मैं डाल देती हूँ, एंड देन एम आई डूइंग जस्टिस टू माई जॉब? प्रॉब्ली नॉट, राइट? So when I experience meditation, I do that cleaning, I give my entire day to my work. When at work, when at home, I don't carry work home. That's where I able to be myself more productive. Team के साथ relationship improves, right? Delivery improves, and obviously, right, quality of life more important. Office में भी है, every moment is worth enjoying, isn't it not? So every moment I start enjoying, I enjoy my work because I am an autonomous soul. Thank you.